Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. I am back with another lock video. Today I'm just going to share a few of my favorite ways to style my awkward length chunky locks. I'm at like that in between, not too short but still not long enough kind of stage. I have been able to do a little bit more with my locks than what I was able to do originally. So I am just going to share with you guys a few ways that I do that. So obviously leaving my locks out like this is probably one of my favorites because it requires me to do nothing. I love a middle part. Even with like my wigs and stuff, a middle part is my favorite. So always do middle part, flip overs, and I usually go. I will do a little headband just to, you know, get my hair on my face and bring out my nice large forehead. All right. And of course, I do like low ponies. And I got this band from Dollar Tree, actually. It came in like a little set. And so I'll do a low pony like this. Double it. Just slide everything back like so, and I'll have a low pony. Like if I'm trying to be super cute, of course I will like brush my hair back and, you know, make it nice and slick like that. So that's my low ponytail. I like high ponies. And I basically do the exact same method. I pull it, put this on, stretch it out like so. And my hair is wet, so I'm not, you know, obviously it's wet if y'all can tell. So my hair is wet and moisturized, so I'm manipulating my locks a whole lot with, you know, a little protection. So that is how I do my high ponies or whatever. If y'all could see that. And that'll be like my high pony. Sometimes I will kind of like try to make it look like a bun. Just flip my longer ends to the back, and then I have a bun, drop one in the back or drop a couple on the side and go on about my day like this. Another thing I like doing is 2 simple cornrows, overhand braids, whatever you prefer to call them, to the back. So I'll put one on this side and then I'll put one on the other side and I'll tuck it like so. Just something simple just to keep my hair nice and tucked and out of the way. I love wrapping my hair. Still kind of learning all the magical ways of head wraps. So I will take a dress, a shirt, whatever I get my hands on at the moment, especially like if I'm trying to hurry up and get out the house, and I will just pull it back like that and have a little low bun wrap. Or I will pull my hair up back into that high kind of pony. Grab my wrap, which was actually a dress that I cut to make a wrap. And I just twist this around. And I will do the high bun. Sometimes I, try to do the edges thing. Y'all know that I'm not good at slaying edges, so I just let mine do this, whatever. My favorite simple ways to do my hair, I forgot one because I will do this a lot. Actually, I forgot two. I'll pull my hair back like this and do a low pony like that. Or I'll take these end pieces, pull my hair back, and then because my hair is still pretty short, I don't really like pulling my hair like super tight like that. So I'll connect these to this little, well, it's not little, but this lock in the center. Like that, and then I'll just go through and pull this hair down. And lately, for like the last, I don't know, week and some change, I've been wearing my hair like this just because it's so easy. It keeps my hair out my face. So hopefully this gave you guys some ideas. Honestly, if you like all the extra, styles and stuff like that, be my guest. But for real though, keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it easy, something you could do by yourself, like whenever you just feel like you look rough and you just want to spice it up. That's it. And you can never go wrong with just you could always just do this and your hair looks perfectly fine, like nappy roots and all. So yeah, hopefully I gave you guys some ideas. Don't overthink it. Just don't overthink it. There you go. Be sure to like, share, and comment and subscribe so that way you will not miss any of my other videos. I will see you guys very soon, or y'all will see me very soon. Bye.